Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So today we have an exercise related to Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. And here in the given figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Here it is given that LM is parallel to CB, LM is parallel to CB, and it is given that LN is parallel to CD. Now we have to prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. It means this AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. We have to prove this. So we will start. First we will write given. What is given? Given LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Now to prove, what do we need to prove? Here AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So now proof. So now first we will take, what is given? LM is parallel to C. Here LM is parallel to BC. LM is parallel to BC. So here we can take these two triangles. Triangle ALM and triangle ACB. These two triangles. So in triangle ALM and triangle ACB. So here let me erase all these. So in triangle ALM and in triangle ACB, we can see that LM is parallel to BC. LM is parallel to BC. So therefore by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, we can write that see AM by AB, this small part and this big part. So AM by AB is equal to, we can write AL by AC. Now this is equation number 1. Now again it is given that LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. So this time we will take these two triangles. It is given LN is parallel to CD. It means in triangle ALN and in triangle ACD. In triangle ALN and triangle ALN and ACD. So AN by AD is equal to, here first we should write what is parallel to what. So here we will write, it is given in these two triangles LN is parallel to CD. Therefore by BPT we can write that AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Now give it equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, you can see here in equation number 1 and equation number 2, right hand sides are equal, AL by AC, and here also AL by AC. in equation 1 and in equation 2 we can see that right hand side equal, so left hand sides are also equal. AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is what we have to prove. So we will write hence proved. Hence proved. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. So here we have next question. Let's read it. In figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. What is parallel to what here? DE is parallel to C. DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. Okay? And C. This one over. Now, one more thing is given. DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. We have to prove this. So, if DF is parallel to AE means we should take triangle BDF and triangle BAE, right? So, first we will write given. What is given? DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. It is given. Now, to prove, what do we need to prove? BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Now we have to start the proof. So first one, what is given here? DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. So here these two sides are parallel, these two lines are parallel. It means we can take triangle BDE and triangle BAC. Triangle BDE and triangle BAC. Okay. So in triangle BDE and triangle BAC, DE is parallel to AC. Therefore, by BPT, we can write BDC. Start from here. See, BD. Okay, BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. Okay, clear? So we can write by BPT, we can write BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. Okay. Let us give it equation number 1. Now in triangle, now I will erase all these. Now let us take another two triangles. Which triangles? Here it is given DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. It means here we can take these two triangles, BDF, this is smaller triangle, and BAE, this is bigger triangle. So in these two triangles, in triangle BDF and triangle BAE, here it is given DF is parallel to AE. So therefore by BPT, we can write here BD by DA is equal to here BF by FE. BF by FE. So let us give it equation number 2. Now you observe equation number 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand sides are equal. Here left hand sides are equal, BD by DA, BD by DA. So we can equate right hand sides. So from equation number 1 and 2, we can write BE by EC, BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. So hence proved. Hence proved. I hope it is clear to all of you. So I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this concept, please comment me. Thanks for watching.